On my screen right here, you can see the fact that I've made over $12,000 right here. And these monies were made with 44,000 unique clicks, 49,000 clicks, and over 6,000 registrations. With just 9.89% conversion rate with this affiliate marketing strategy that I'm going to be showing you guys in today's video. If you look at this place, you see the fact that I have a balance of $125. Let's tap here. Right, this is going to come down. You see that I've actually earned over $13,487 right here. I've withdrawn over $13,362 right here, and I currently have a balance of $125, which I can actually withdraw right now if I want to do that. So what you need to do right now is to go to fiverraffiliate.com and set up an account on this particular platform. Then come here to where it says marketing tools, right? Tap marketing tools and click where it says default and deep links, right? So what we need to do right now is to copy this link, right? I'm going to copy this link and keep it safe and bring it right here and drop it here. This is the first step. I'm going to put it inside a notepad document. This is the first step. So there are 3 other websites we're going to be looking at in today's video. So if I see me for the first time, my name is Gerald and I may be around making money online. So what I do is that I try things out, they work. I come right here and show you guys exactly what I've done. And the whole idea is that you can do the exact same thing and of course get the exact same results. So it's important for you guys to smash the like button on this video, subscribe to my channel, and most importantly, turn on the bell notification button so that when I drop more amazing videos, just like what you're about to watch right now, YouTube is going to send you a notification instantly. And if at any point in time you have your questions, let me know in the comment section as I'm going to be there to answer all of your questions. So we have copied our affiliate link. Now, mind you guys, you can actually use this method to promote any other product as an affiliate. So it is not just Fiverr, you can actually promote anything at all. So next, you're going to go to Quora.com, which is actually one of the most popular websites in the world today with millions of visitors every single month. I'm going to come straight to Quora. Then where you say search Quora at the top, I'm going to type Fiverr, right? And I'm going to hit enter. Now, it's going to give me a list of questions that people have actually asked on Fiverr. And this is where it actually gets interesting. Now, if you look at this question right now, this question has 722 answers with 1,000 follows. But this question, how do I promote my Fiverr gig? This is actually a Fiverr seller looking to find a way to sell his gig on Fiverr. This is not your target audience, right? So, but if you look at this particular one right here that says, how can I know the best logo designer on Fiverr? This is most likely somebody looking to buy logo design on Fiverr, right? And you need this kind of persons who are looking for things to buy on Fiverr so that they can click on your link. Set up an account on Fiverr.com. Now, once they buy something, you get a commission, which is why on my Fiverr affiliate dashboard, you see 624 FTB. FTB means first time buyer. So that's exactly how Fiverr affiliate works. I've actually made a video about Fiverr affiliate, and that's the video showing up right here right now. So click on it and actually watch that video to understand how Fiverr affiliates work. But like I said in the beginning of this video, you can actually use this method to promote any other product. It is not limited to Fiverr affiliate at all. So I'm going to come back right here to Quora. This is a good one for us, right? I'm going to click on this and it's going to open in a new tab, but that's not the only one. Let's find another one or two that will actually serve the same purpose. Now, this one right here says, which good logo designer on Fiverr would you recommend, right? So this is somebody who is looking to buy a logo service on Fiverr and is looking for recommendations. So I'm going to click on this, right? Then I'm going to come back here again and let's see if I can find a third one. How do I increase my sales on Fiverr? This is not for you. First order on Fiverr. This is not for you. Now, this person is saying, how do I get traffic using Fiverr, right? That's actually a good one. So I'm going to click on this, right? And there's graphic designers and all of those things. I'm going to limit it to this right now. So this is what I'm going to do. If you come here right now, you're going to see the fact that this guy is asking, how do I get traffic using Fiverr? So this guy most likely wants to get traffic to his blog, his website, his product, whatever, as an affiliate link using Fiverr. And there are persons that sell this kind of services on Fiverr, right? So this is most likely a buyer. And this question right here has 244 followers. What this means is that whatever answer that you provide, these over 200 persons are going to be notified right now by Quora that you have provided an answer to their question, right? And they're going to come watch your question, and the percentage of them is going to click on your Fiverr affiliate link and buy a service on Fiverr. And that's how you make money instantly, right? So what I'm going to do is to click on answer right here or click on answer right here. Wherever you click, it is going to take you to the exact same place. So I'm going to click on answer right now, and it's going to bring me to this interface where I'm going to be typing my answer in a little while, right? So the next one is this particular one right here. Which good logo designers on Fiverr would you recommend? This one has 179 followers, which means that if I click on answer right now and type the response right here, and once I submit it, what's going to happen is that these individuals are going to be notified that there's a new answer to their question, right? And once they will click on your affiliate link and of course buy something on Fiverr. Now the third guy right here is asking, how can I know the best logo designer on Fiverr? I'm going to click on answer again, and we're going to be answering these questions right now. So how do we answer this question? I'm going to come here, copy this, right? How can I know the best logo designers on Fiverr? copy this, right? I'm going to copy the ChatGPT. Now, all the website I mentioned, which are actually the fourth website, all the website I'm going to be using in this training are all in my video description below, right? So just go there, click on the appropriate one, and it's going to take you to the right interface. I'm going to come here right now on ChatGPT and drop the question and hit enter. And once I hit enter, this is the point where we actually sit back, relax, and let ChatGPT, this AI, actually do the writing for us instantly, right? So while this is happening, if you've not done that already, I want to encourage you guys to smash the like button on this video, subscribe to my channel, and most importantly, turn on the bell notification button so that when I drop more amazing videos just like what you're watching right now, YouTube is going to send you a notification instantly. And if you have any questions at all, let me know in the comment section, as I'm going to be there to answer all of your questions. So ChatGPT is not writing these things for us, right? So what we're going to do right now is to come here and copy this to our clipboard. Now, a lot of you guys will come straight to Quora right here and actually drop the answer right here, right? Quora will detect that AI actually wrote these things for us, right? Now, this is going to take us to the next website, which is actually very important. So I'm going to be deleting all of this because you don't want to put this in Quora, because Quora is going to be deleting it almost immediately. So what you need to do is to click on the first link in the video description. It's going to bring you to this interface right now on my screen. This is a platform called AI Detector Pro, right? What it does is that it actually detects what AI is like ChatGPT or Pad has written and actually make it better. So what you need to do is to come here and click on Get Started for free, right? And there's no credit card required. But for me, I already have an account. So I'm going to be logging into my AI Detector Pro account right now by clicking on login, right? I put in my email address and password right here, and I click login, and it's going to log me in right now. So what I'm going to do is to come here and click on new report. So I'm going to paste this right here, Control V, right? And I'm going to say analyze. So it's telling me that 98% of this was written with AI, right? Which is true. ChatGPT actually wrote these things for us, and you actually saw it write it. So this platform knows that this was written by AI. So I'm going to come here to edit, right? You can change the project name. I'm going to leave it as default project, and I'm going to say save. So I'm going to come here to reports, right? I'm going to come here to report, and I'm going to come here, right, and say erase AI, right? So what this means is that it's going to remove every AI footprint on this particular write-up right now. So it says AI detected 98%, right? So I'm going to select the first here, right? Then come down right here to auto rewrite. I'll wait for this to be written right now. So he says rewriting this. Writing this actually make it sound a lot more human. So he has finished this one. He has gone to the next one, right? So he's got to the next one, then the next one, then the next one, then the next one. And this is what we need to do to actually make this thing less AI. Okay, so he says rewriting complete. You should now rescan the document for AI. I'm going to say okay, right? I don't want to rescan yet, so I'm going to do this one right here. So let's do this, right? Auto more human, auto rewrite. Okay, so it's writing this, and we're going to be doing this for the whole document. So if you have specific requirement, this is the last one. So I'm going to highlight it, right? Now come here, more human, then auto rewrite selection, right? So AI is going to take over and actually finish the job for us. Okay, so I'm going to hit OK, right? I'm going to come here, right, and say rescan document for AI. So let's rescan this. This is 98% right here. So we are rescanning it right now. Let's see what it's going to give us. So right here, it says human detected, looks great, right? Probability of AI is just at 2% right now. So I'm going to copy everything right here, right? Control C and take it straight to Quora.com. So you see that this is written by AI, right? So this is what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to come here to Fiverr and copy our affiliate link that we copied earlier. I'm going to copy it right now. And this is the part where I actually put it in. So I'm going to say we dig deep, and all of this. We're providing real value right here. So I can just come here. We decide together, set up an account on Fiverr here, right? So I'm going to come here, highlight this. Okay, click on this, select this, and turn that into a link. Putting my affiliate link right here. I'm going to hit add, right? I'm going to hit push right now. And what's going to happen is that this will be published on Quora right now. Okay, so this has been published on Quora right now. And if you scroll down, you're going to see that this places a link. Once somebody comes here right now, reads exactly what we have written, and click on this link, it's going to take them through our affiliate link to Fiverr. And when they set up an account and buy something on Fiverr, we'll get a commission. And that's exactly how those monies I showed you guys in the beginning of this video were actually made, right? So what you need to do right now is to click on the first link in the description. Set up an account on AI Detector Pro right now. It's very important. Just put in your name, your email address, your password, everything. Set up an account right now and get started with this, right? And if you have any questions at all, let me know in the comment sections. I'm going to be here to answer all of your questions, guys. So I want to say a very big thank you to you guys for watching the video to the very end. If you've not done that already, I want to encourage you again to smash the like button on this video, subscribe to my channel, and most importantly, turn on the bell notification button so that when I drop more amazing videos, just like what you just watched right now, YouTube is going to send you a notification instantly. Until I see my next video, guys, keep winning, and don't forget to cheer out those who love you guys. Bye from here, guys.